Biane di my Islam. The son of Biane di Ushigamakai, Utumakai. This is very important. The other cameras is very important. Listen. Now press one to my sound to be near the corner of the Saraka. Opiaja, now it's to be recording from because 7 players are not here. About the way. About the bottom star, so the hotel line as we see. The German is fans, you showed love, you showed maturity during our promotion on TV and everything, the course coming out, everything. I would say we appreciate you a lot. Kumasi never disappoints. And from my whole heart, I will say thank you. I love you, Ghana. And what I'll say is, all regional games is here to stay. And my request to the government is just show your support to the youth, because the youth need your support. I can't do this alone. I'm sure my request will be granted. Therefore, Mufa and most of the all regional games. Since I began action, you been here, Asamoah, you been here, you been here, and etc. Until we make us a degree. Madam Massey, they must support our show. By 3 months' time, no, all regional games, no, ever shall see it. Although now, no, you know, Munguswana, Mondoye, no, must support all regional games. And he said, actually, no, Ghana Beko in him, Madam Massey. Yadamasi said we are supporting. Thank you very much for your love. Artist one baby.
Asamoah Gyan, Vice President, leader of the MPP, Odehyie Keff, it's now time, ladies and gentlemen, to invite.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Funny face, your person, baby.
What now?
Funny face.
Funny face, go this way.
Funny face, what's the name?
Funny face, go this way. Funny face, go this way.
All right.
I'm going to balance me. What balance? Funny face, go this way. Go this way.
Funny face, go this way. Funny face, go that way. Funny face,
my brother.
Funny face, go this way. I said go this way. Funny face, go this way.
Take it easy.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Kumasi, what's up? Go this way. Go this way. Go that way. I want to know the performance. And I'm here done on Tinyakano. Mutiano no funny sir.
Go this way. Funny face, go that way. So
my brother.
Put your hands together for Funny Face, man. And of course, to the legendary Baby Jets. Baby Jets. Baby Jets. Yanko. That's right. Thank you, Kumasi.
Okay, program, let's say that thing.
Okay.
And Sakai Kakaba, and Sakai Ningi. Say, next person will perform per the program. Prior, then Guru, then Prior first, Guru next. Sports Minister second.
Okay.
Okay, so Prior Sports Minister.
Okay.
Guru, and Prior, and the Prior for time also.
Prior line.
Prior DJ. Prior DJ.
Oh, I am ready.
Okay, so. Alright, so Prior Sports Minister, Guru, Vice President.
Prior's microphone, please. Yes. Prepare on stage now.
Hey, you want some wine ready? Wine ready? Alright, DJ guys, let's go. One. Hey. Before my last song, I want you guys all to give it up for Asamoah Gyan. Let's give it up for Asamoah Gyan. To me, if you ask me, he's the best thing that has ever happened to Ghana football. And today, we are here to witness this historic event. Thank you very much, for moving and make sure the love. Why ready to see my last song? Why ready? You're behind you, beside you, no. On him side, 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 no. Let's go together. To sing to this. Thank you very much.
Masa na wa postpone. Wa postpone no ti ase o sabi na mi postpone na meka. And now but the son of correct. Yeah, why have
Please put your hands together for prayer.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Sports Minister of Ghana, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. Consider only what Prof. You say unassuming or the action. Come and give me 5. You have done well. Because the speed at which you guys have put up the facilities for soccer in Ashanti region is amazing. I was there with you when Napo was commissioning his second pitch at Kwarteng Stadium. They are doing very well with that pitch, and I'm happy with what you are doing, and I know you will continue.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Honorable Sports Minister, Mustafa Yusuf. Put your hands together for
Thank you. Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, my hard-working Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Evans Opoku-Bobie, the legend Asamoah Gyan, who is the originator of these all-regional games, members of Parliament who are here, the campaign team of His Excellency the Vice President who are also here. I can see former legends and former athletes also here. And now the Director General for the National Sports Authority, acknowledge you and all protocol duly observed. First of all, I want to commend and congratulate our legend, Asamoah Gyan, the originator of these all regional games. We thank you so much. I have no doubt at all that in the coming days, we are going to witness the display of skills, teamwork, and strength of our regions and our athletes across Ghana. And we thank you. Let me also use this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, your presence here alone shows your dedication and our government commitment to sports development in Ghana. And we are so grateful for your presence. Thank you, Your Excellency. Let me also assure Asamoah Gyan and the organizers that once, as a sector minister, I can assure you that the commitment and the support, the full support of government for these all regional games, we are going to identify new talents, and there will be a special pathway for them to be able to develop themselves so that they can represent our country anytime they get opportunity. So we thank you so much, and we collaborate with you to make sure that these all regional games become a success. On this note, I want to invite our first-class Vice President of the Republic, our first-class Vice President of the Republic, our next President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, to come and deliver the special guest of this program, the special guest of honor, to come and deliver his remarks. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Honorable Sports Minister, you are wearing the number 3, and I'm happy. You have put on the Asamoah Gyan. Obianya is Obianya 3, mommy. Obiama 3, Asamoah Gyan, Obiama 3. Also, Mr. number 3. Obianya say Obianya 3. Eja Obasuzu group, Obiama is 3. Obiama 3. Obiama 3. Sabre, Frankatuni. Yeah, we try and my MVP. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, His Excellency, Oba Kasa. I wanted to thank my MVP. About 7th of December 2024. Oba Kasa. Now Oba Kasa, why should I say? Odehyie Asamoah Gyan was stage. And the Asamoah Gyan won for the bread. Yes. His Excellency, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, flag bearer of the NPP, leader of the NPP, Mr. Digitalization, yes, Mr. Digitalization, I am Abrantia President, yes. Director of NSA. Welcome. And you don't say thanks so much. And you don't say about you now advice about you and advice me what you know about. And you know where the digitalization you know about.